Hi, this is John with WTI. And my dad needed a camera, a backup camera for his car. And there's always a big problem. Either it's the resolution or either is the night vision, but this one has the two-in-one. This is a rear view mounted camera that it connects it directly to his monitor. That every time that he has to do any backup, he just had this whole view angle. And his whole experience for him has been awesome. He just loves the great resolution of the camera, the great colors. It looks great at night. It's a 1080p resolution, which means that all the time that he's going to do his backup, the image is going to be crystal clear, and at the same time, it's going to be high quality. The installation process, easy, no problem, no drama. It was just to connect and do the inspections in the monitor, send the wire all the way back from the to the part of the car, and the whole experience has just been wonderful. So if you're just looking for a backup camera, this one, it has been a great experience for us. And he's just like, he just loves it. He says everything just works wonders. So this was John with Dolly ETI. That was my point of view.